Hi, this is Delta Victorious. I'm here to read another poem from my book, Convolutian Juxtapositions. But first, check out my GoFundMe project, Publish Me, and help creativity. 2373, November 24, 2017. I embrace the purple explosion. I saw a strange glow in his eyes. He seemed to be chewing cud like a mindless cow, just moving his jaws slowly, constantly. I didn't know that my essence was hurtling out of me like a massive orgasmic explosion. Uncontrollable, unknowable. I started writing with a manic conviction. The truth sang sweet serenades into my quietly oscillating mind. McFadden was nowhere to be found, nowhere around, pedaling down dark roads, over busy highways, loneliness, a small persistent ache with a wicked biting aggravation, lost in an accidental sand dune, the dusky wind lighting the sky with a surreal purple light under the condescending glare of whispering sentient trees that spoke of me. A disconnected mote in reality. Where was Daniel? Where was Suzanne? Why hadn't Alan engaged with this plan? And keep on trucking, man. I was swimming in a storm of mental eddies as I stroked my suspended incomprehension, impaired by possible misapprehension, the maddening hush, the enormous rush, well beyond any experience I had yet attained, the silent night, solitary windows glowing with a stained yellow hue. I could not contain my emerging self-awareness. The mounting sorrow. In the morning, I was dog-tired, restless. Yet I embraced the purple explosion, the purple experience, this mind-altering awareness of some fundamentally grand design that occasionally sets the world on its end. And me, an audience of one, having had a glimpse of tangible madness which etched its essence on the bones of my despairing soul. And that was poem number 2373, dated November 24, 2017. I embrace the purple explosion. And now check out my GoFundMe project, Publish Me, and keep creativity. This is Delta Victorious, the unsung poet. I